So after months of work, many refactors javalearn.clustermicro.com is officially live. So we build this platform with one clear goal: how to help Java developers confidently prepare for the Java OCA exam certification without shortcuts or guesswork. I had started this as a personal hobby, but now it has become a full-fledged cloud-native practice platform. Fully cloud-native, built on AWS using Go, React, DynamoDB, Lambdas, etc. We'll discuss that in the next video. So if you are preparing for Java OCA, I'd love you to check this out at https://javalearn.clustermicro.com. And this is just the beginning. So if you think about software, right, and you want to get certified in the age of AI, why one needs to get certified? That may be a very good question. But in the age of AI also, when AI is doing the heavy lifting, still while hiring, companies would like people who are certified, who have passed certain exams. That helps in the resume. And this kind of practice platforms also strengthen your knowledge of Java or any other language and make your concepts clearer, so that your output also will be better. So what we have put in is 1400 questions, 25 practice tests, and you have two modes basically. One is practice mode, you have exam mode. In the exam mode, you don't have explanations of the answers, but in practice mode you have explanations, very nicely written big explanations for each of the question, and every question has been reviewed and re-reviewed multiple times. And at the end, when you submit your exam also, you will get a chance to re-review your mistakes. So those are there, and there are attendance certificates, etc., and passing out certificate from our company, obviously. So I will give you more details in the next slide, but it took us quite some time, and I hope that it will really help anybody who is interested in getting Java OCA certified. And I would like to say, you are not late, you are not behind, and you don't need to rush blindly. All you need is practice, you need feedback, put in a little time, and need a little structure. All of these are available in this website, and that's exactly what JavaLearn is built for. In the next video, I will show you one by one all the features that we have built here. So in the right side of the landing page, if you will see one create account button, or if you are already having an account, you can log in there directly. So here we have implemented this with single session security with JWT across all devices. Multiple sessions are not allowed. So if you are already logged in and you want to log in from another device, you'll be logged out. So that's one thing that we have implemented. And after you register yourself by clicking the create account button, then you will be sent a mail for verification. Once you log into your mail account and verify for yourself, then you will be allowed to move to the payment window. That will be the next step. And we have implemented various, we have used AWS ACS for your mailing and verification both. In the payment window, you have three choices. One is trial, 3 days, 30 questions, and it will be free. You don't have to make any payment. Then you have, for Indian users, you can use RazorPay. You have to pay 1400 rupees. It will be valid for 6 months and unlimited use. And then you have choice for PayPal. If you are not Indian, then you can pay $16. It will be valid for 6 months, unlimited use. So once you make a choice and payment is made for non-trial users, account is activated and the user can move to the next exam window. So say you have paid, and so you are taken to the next window. So what you see is that on top you see practice mode and exam mode. In practice mode, basically, you will be having explanations for your questions, and in exam mode there will not be any explanation. Both are timed, and we have three kind of tests. Certification tests are there, random practice tests are there, and mixed practice tests are there. In certification test we have 1400 questions, so there are 25 sets there, and each set having 56 questions and 120 minutes timed exam. Random practice is 56 questions. We have taken randomly from our set of 1400 questions, and again 120 minutes. And in mixed practice we have 50 questions, and these are dynamically generated, all chapters combined basically. So the actual major tests are in the certification tests, and those are like 25 test cases, and it's progressive. The difficulty level is progressive. All chapters have been taken care of, and you get very detailed explanation for all questions, and these are all multiple times reviewed and run. Code has been run, so you can have good faith on the topics and their coverage. Again, explaining it again, that we are using time tests similar to the actual exam. So the more you apply yourself, take more exams, the more familiar you become with the exam, actual exam, and your passing out chance increases. And we have given detailed explanations for each of the questions, so that your fundamentals knowledge of this exam, it increases. And all questions have marked and unmarked questions for review. Say you are not able to answer one question now, you can mark it for review and do it later. And also we have given one exam time note taking window. You can keep your notes there, though it will not get saved in the DB. So we have the show explanation button there, which gets enabled if you click on a choice, answer choice, and on clicking you get to see, I have shown it on the right side basically, the answers, and this is the show explanation button. So this enables the participant to master the concepts. Apart from practice mode, user also has exam mode. It's same as practice mode, but explanation is not available. This is to simulate real-time exam scenario where you won't have much time actually, and the question difficulty level is also high. So you can use this simulator to prepare yourself for the exam. And we have question navigator on the right side. We have shown you can navigate to the exam, the questions very easily. You can go from one question to another by clicking one button, and you can review your answers or submit the exam at the end. So at the end, say you have tried all 56 questions, say, and you have submitted the answers there, and you see that probably you could not pass in 10 questions or something like that. So you have an option to review the mistakes. So there's a button. If you click that, you'll see what mistakes were committed and what the system expected from you. So that's quite helpful. So regarding certification, this is obviously our side certification practice. So we have two criteria. So one is, there are two certificates basically. One is pass certificate and another is attendance certificate. So to get a pass certificate, you have to complete 20 or more certification tests with a minimum score of 65% to earn this certificate, so that it gives you a confidence basically that if you are passing this, you have a chance of passing the OCA JP also, but we cannot guarantee it, but these chances are higher. And then attendance certificate, attempt all 56 questions in 20 or more certification tests to earn this certificate, and you will get good PDF certification for your attempts. You also get to see the history of your attempts. We show last 5 attempts history, then average performance history, history of certification tests taken, history of random practice taken, history of mixed practice tests taken. So that gives you a confidence that you are ready for the next actual Oracle exam. That's all in the product demo. Hope you liked it. And in the next video that we shall upload after 1 or 2 days will be the architecture discussion, how we built it, what decisions were made, how many refactors were required, and why certain things are better, how it helped in cost reduction, response times, etc. Thanks for watching this. Hope you liked it, and you can check it out initially using trial, and if you like it, you can move to the payment window. Thanks again.